Hello and welcome to proCode. In this video we are going to continue with our Python series. This is the third part of our Python series. Today we are going to learn about string. So before starting the video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the latest notification from my channel. So let's get into the video. Here we have a file created and ready. So what is string? The basic answer of string is a data type, as we have already learned, and we have already learned that a sequence of character which is enclosed in the quotes is called string. So we can primarily write a string in three ways. They are single quotes, single quoted string, double quoted string, and triple quoted string. An example of single quoted string would be a is equal to Amir. Then the double quoted string example would be B is equal to, and a triple quoted string example would be this. So these are the examples of the three types of three ways of quotation of strings. So the next thing we are going to learn is string slicing. A string in Python can be sliced for getting a part of a string. If I say name is equal to Amir, so here the first thing what we are going to learn to slice a string is we are going to learn index of string. So the index of string in Python starts from 0. So in programming languages a string starts with a with starts from 0, and it continues from 0 to whatever word the length of the word. So in my case it is here the capital A is 0, small a is 1, the M is 2, I is 3, and R is 4. Similarly, so here it is the length of this word is 5 is 5. So now we have learned about string indexing. So now we can perform slicing on string. So let me create a variable, and what we are going to write is the name of the variable. Here it is name, and then we are going to write type in square brackets, and here we are going to type in is the starting index of the character. So in this case what I am going to do is I am going to take out M, I, and R. So I am going to type in so here it is 0, 1, and it is 2. So here I am going to write 2. Then we are going to write the second value, the value of the ending index. So in this case it is R. The index of R is 4, but what I am going to do is I am going to type in 5. You can see it have printed M, I, and R. let me tell you why it is. I have written here 5 and here 2. So the starting index is included to print. So if I have written here 2, so it will print m also, and then it will print the later words. But the last value index is not included. So it if I write here 4, it will print till I only, it will not print r itself. So we will have to write a greater number from the index of this character, no matter it is the ending letter of the word, but you can type in 5 over here. The next thing we are going to learn is indexes. Negative indexes can also be used as the way we are doing indexing now, like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the negative indexes is just opposite. So it starts from the descending order, means from the last letter to the first letter. So the r is -1, -2, -3, -4, minus and -5. So it starts from -5, and corresponding to the length of the character, it changes the length. So in my case it is -5. So we are going to learn about escape sequence character. So an escape sequence character comprises of more than one character, but represents one character when used within the string. Here if I type in, like, input what is your name? So you can see here, here it asks what is your name, but the answer is only is asked without the spaces. So there are like \n gives you a new line. So now if I \n gives you a new line, so you can see here what is your name, and here it asked it, the cursor is shifted to the next line. If I type in \t, so what it will do is it will ask the question after a tab. So and the next, if I type in single quote, so and run it, you can see it prints a single quote after the name, after these characters. If I type in backslash, so it will print a backslash after the name character. So there are many more escape sequence character. If you want to learn about it more, go to doc.python.com. there are many informations given on that web page. You can check it out. So thanks for watching the video, and I will see you next time.
Look at the future.